Hey guys, welcome back to Adelaide Gardening. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my house tour and how I have built it. I built this chicken house at the south corner of my garden where it is at the opposite side of my main door. This is to ensure that during winter the plants will not be covered by the shade from the house. The overall length of the chicken house is 2.5 meters and the width is 1.5 meters long. The height of this chicken house is 2.3 meters high. On the ground there is a 50mm thick concrete plank that covers the ground of the house. This is here in order for the chicken feces to be easily collected. I have also sprinkled river sand on top of the concrete to prevent the feces from sticking. For the ground, I did not use paving stone or concrete stones as the chicken feces can easily stick in between the stones, making it harder to clean. That's why I thought it was best to use the concrete instead. I have also made this door to close the house, especially at night. This is important as there is a high chance that animals such as foxes, cats, or dogs can enter the chicken house and harm the chickens. Another thing to note is that I have put two doors, one that comes on top and another one that comes on the bottom. The double door system can be used when we need to clean the chicken coop, but the smaller door can be used for the chickens to easily enter and exit the house. This bigger door can be used to open the whole house for better access inside. From the ground to the top, it is 500mm high. On top of that, I have placed a plastic mesh. This is so that the chicken feces can go down to the ground, making it easier to clean. Instead of the plastic, you could also use a small piece of timber. As we come up a little more higher, I have placed some long pieces of timber and tree branches for the chickens to climb onto and rest at night. This is essential as chickens tend to like sitting up on tree branches and in high places as they feel most comfortable there. Here is where I keep my water supply for where the chickens can drink out of. This works by setting up a float that is connected so the chickens have a clean supply of water. Here is where I keep the food and have placed it on a hanging food feeder. I have placed it above ground level in order for the chicken feces to not contaminate the food. The food I tend to feed the chickens is shell grit, which provides many essential nutrients such as calcium, which the laying chickens require. Not having enough calcium in a chicken's diet leads the chicken's eggs to not have shell, and the chicken is also considered unhealthy. I have bought the shell grit from the store. but we could also take beach sand with shells in them, which can be fed to the chickens. On this side of the house, I have set up a little box where the chickens can lay their eggs. The dimensions for this box are 300 millimeters long by 600 millimeters wide. For easy access to the eggs, I have set up a gate from the outside of the chicken house. These two poles ensure that the chickens do not accidentally open the door. On the bottom of the box, I have placed hay, but you could also place dried leaves or anything that is similar in order to create a comfortable space for the chickens to lay their eggs. I have set up the shelf above to place all the resources needed for the chickens, such as food and other elements such as this turmeric and sesame oil paste, which can be used if the chickens get any wounds. I have also placed some empty egg trays to collect the eggs and a bag of shell grid. On top of the chicken house, I have covered it with roof sheets. On the inside, between the roof sheet and the ground, I have made a shelf to place supplies such as the hay and mulch. This can be used to make a bed, or during summer the heat will not enter the house as it regulates the heat. On the sides of the house, there is mesh in order for there to be ventilation, allowing air circulation. At the bottom of the house, there is the plastic mesh on the ground, allowing for there to be more air circulation for the air to enter and exit the house. Air circulation is important as it prevents many illnesses that can be faced by the chickens. Aside from the shell grid, I have also given the chickens vegetables, allowing us to save money by limiting store-bought food and also ensuring that they get healthy food as well. These chickens are pure breed Australopes, with the white one being a Sussex. 5 of them are females and 1 of them is a male. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.